Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create an account on Reddit. So first you need to download Reddit application from Play Store. So to download the Reddit application you have to open your Google Play Store, then go into your search bar and search for Reddit. This app will appear. You have to click on install. I have already installed, so I will not reinstall it. I will just open this app. Then you need to log in or sign in with your Gmail account. So to continue it, we have to click on continue with Google. Over here you have to select your Gmail account in which you can access Reddit. Now here you can type your username. Reddit has already suggested me a username, but I will just write my own name. So this username is available. So just click on continue. Here you have to specify your gender or you can skip it. In this page you have to pick at least 3 interests. So Reddit will show you that interest on their feed. So I will just select 3 interests or 4. You can select as much as you want basically. So after selecting the interest you have to click on continue. And over here you have to select the avatar or you can skip it. But I will select avatar. Click on continue. So as you can see my account is created. To view your account, you have to click on the top right corner of the screen, and from here you can view your profile by clicking on profile. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video.